Hello and welcome to my channel. We're not in my kitchen today, we're at Gosford Showground, just around the corner from where I grew up at Erina. It's not often that I get to go out and do big fun things, and I don't get home anywhere near as much as I wish I did, so this is a pretty awesome thing to be able to not only come home, but to bring you all along with me to enjoy the show. My dad used to bring me here when I was just a kid, not just for the speedway, but for things like the computer fair, and it's pretty awesome to be able to bring my little ones here as well. It was a pretty fun day and we all had a lot of fun, but I don't think anyone enjoyed it just as much as my daughter. I think I've made a bit of a rev head out of my daughter. The whole event went for a couple of hours, but I've done my best to condense it down to only 20 minutes. So strap yourselves in, pull up a chair, and I hope you enjoy the show. And don't worry, I've got no intention of talking throughout the entire process. I'm going to leave these big boys to talk for themselves, with a few of my own music choices just to match the right vibe. And if you like my vibe, subscribe. It's time to meet the crew. The Tazzy Devil is a big truck with a big personality, and just like his cartoon counterpart, he likes to play up to the audience. Now the jet van is a pretty spectacular piece of equipment, just check out that hardware. And you could tell straight away he was a crowd favourite by just how loud the audience got as soon as he came out. So I could tell I was in a pretty good position when this guy, who's actually part of the crew, stood right in front of my camera. When you consider that's a full-size minivan, just imagine how big those planes are. I heard someone say 18 feet. The Blue Flame is a more traditional style monster truck built for climbing and crushing. More than once I've actually seen this truck travelling along the freeway to get to and from an event. Just like Tazzy, he also has a pretty big personality, and when it comes to jumps, he likes to go high. So pretty much straight away, the entire crowd started chanting, "Tailgate, tailgate." But these trucks are designed to crush and crumble just a little bit. They're supposed to take that bit of damage. And he wasn't fazed one bit. Take a second to tell me in the comment section what kind of animal you think this is. I was completely wrong. This particular event was held for Australia Day, and no matter what your political opinion about Australia Day is, you got to admit it was a pretty fun party. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.